Hello, this is Dylan Langei, branch manager and home loan officer at Evergreen Home Loans and your number one rated lender in Whatcom County, coming at you with the May mortgage update. Okay, if you're watching this, you're either a past client, a referral partner, a trusted referral partner. Maybe you're finding this on my social media and you're just interested in what is the market doing, what are rates doing, what are some new products to help me get into a home. We've got an awesome quick nugget on a new product called Fast as Cash this month. It's basically a 10-day close, no appraisal, no financing contingency to compete with cash. So stick with me on this. We'll dive into that product. First off, if you are watching this on YouTube, make sure you do subscribe as I do videos weekly. And then I also do these monthly mortgage updates monthly. And so I do updates on new products. Things that I'm seeing, if property tax statements are going up, just different little topics that have to do with mortgage or real estate. I do those weekly. So do subscribe. And then also WhatcomHomeLoans.com is my personal website, which is right here in the background. If you have any questions or need some good resources on all of the mortgage update videos are there, any other videos that I shoot, the mortgage process, some post-closing resources, all of my testimonials, where to find us. We just moved into our brand new office. You can see here in Barclay Village, right by Chicago Title. Amazing space, right by the movie theater. Got some photos there that we just had done. Drop by anytime. Come say hi. I'm here pretty much 7 days a week. I'm actually here right now, and it's a Sunday. So reach out or stop by if you ever need anything or just want to check out the space. All right, so let's dive right into the May newsletter. So you'll be getting this in a PDF form. If you're watching this on one of the social channels, just email me if you want a copy of this. But our quick nugget this month, let's start out with that before we go into rates, internal turn times, and appraisal turn times. Fast as Cash, brand new product, just launched 2 weeks ago. I shot a full YouTube video on this. So if you go to my YouTube channel, which is Whatcom Home Loans on YouTube, you can find the full Fast as Cash video. I'll also throw it in the email. Once again, if you're on social, just reach out to me or look up the full video. It is a 10-day close purchase loan, no appraisal or financing contingency. So I've got a little flyer here that basically just, says exactly that. Where we're seeing this working is when you're in multiple offer situations. Maybe you're getting beat out because you don't have, a large enough down payment. There's cash offers. There's multiple offers. This really eliminates the terms aspect. This is amazing terms for the seller. So, if you're 10% down, but there's another client that's 30% down, this could potentially compete with that or with a cash offer or, a higher purchase price. You need at least 10% down for a primary residence for this program, 15% for a second home, 20% for an investment property. It does not work for manufactured homes or condos. Any single family, it works for jumbo, conforming loan limits. So do reach out to me if you have any questions. It is a loan, but it's a loan that we close on our portfolio warehouse lines that we do not need an appraisal or a financing contingency, which once again, that's very enticing terms to the seller. So I will make sure to drop in the YouTube video of this full video, which goes over the fees, the process, everything like that, or just look up Whatcom Home Loans on YouTube and you can find this video. All right, now really quick, rates. Rates are always a big topic of discussion, right? They impact affordability. And so you can see interest rates right here. I always base this on a $700,000 purchase, 10% down, top tier credit, single family, primary residence. Any of those variables change, your interest rates will change. But this just gives you a general gauge of where rates are at. So a 6.25 is going to cost you a point. You can see the discount point. So if you're borrowing $630,000, which is what this scenario would be, it'd be a $6,300 closing cost for a rate of 6.25. Most companies that you'll see will quote with a 1-point buy down because a lot of these buy downs are actually very short break-even points and make a lot of sense, which is why we're seeing a lot of seller credits. We're doing a lot of seller buy down programs, which you'll see in my previous videos. So let's jump to I always like looking at the Freddie Mac market survey. Sorry, let me make my face a little bit smaller here. So you'll see, as of 5/4, which was Friday, I'm shooting this on Sunday, the average 30-year term was 6.39. So we're a little bit lower than that. Once again, this average, they're pulling it from, what lenders are quoting. A lot of times that is with a 1-point buy down. So we're about 6.25. You're seeing the average about 6.39. Right, a lot of that's for purchase. Any of those variables change, those rates can change. Application count. So you'll see right here, mortgage rate trend has over the last month has kind of trended upwards, which we can see right here. So if we look at, right now it's May 7th. So if we're looking at, if we're looking at April 6th, right, we're at about 6.28. We've seen mortgage rates kind of trend upwards. I mean, our peak was right here, April 27th for this month, and it's kind of gone down, but month over month, we've seen a little bit of an increase. Why is that, right? There's so many economic variables that are going on. What I like to do, I subscribe to Mortgage Market Guide. It's a subscription service that I pay for. A guy, Bill Bobner, I follow him to a T, super brilliant. And we get 3 videos a day on if the lock, if the float, what's going on in the economy, really short videos, which are awesome. If you ever want those, just reach out to me and I can always send those to you. But we're watching bond pricing and we're watching the 10-year yields. When 10-year yields go down, mortgage rates go down. When they go up, mortgage rates go up. As you know, the Fed increased the Fed funds rate by 1/4 point. A lot of times you'll actually see a dip though in rates when that happens because that was expected. However, inflationary numbers, unemployment, that's really what mortgage rates are tied to. If we keep seeing inflation not get basically a handle on it, the Fed wants to get a handle on inflation. If we don't keep seeing that going down or going under expectations, then we're going to see mortgage rates go up. We've kind of seen those numbers though come in under expectations, which, you see this peak in rates here, March 9th, and then the big peak though is November 10th. So you've kind of seen them gradually start to go down, which is great. We've got some other, though, economic news. So bond prices, I'm not going to get into the candlesticks. Economic calendar, this is huge. So this week, right, we had the Fed meeting, which was right here on Wednesday. Next week, though, we have CPI numbers. That's the Consumer Price Index, which is a core inflation number. It's basically what do we pay for goods over the table. There's going to be an estimate, which is right here. So the estimate's going to be a 0.4% gain, basically. And so if it comes in under expectations, we may see mortgage rates drop. So once this video is launched, Wednesday's CPI, we're just seeing a lot of volatility in rates in the market. So take this video and the timeline with, a grain of salt a little bit, just because there is so much volatility. Internal turn times are key for the fastest cash program. I've had multiple clients, 2 of them on Friday, that wanted to use the fastest cash for an offer on Tuesday. We need a full underwriting approval to do the fastest cash program, which means I need your credit, income, and assets. I need to send that to my processor, which takes 2 days to review. Then I have to send it to underwriting, which takes 3 days to review right now, because we are getting busy. We are seeing an influx of applications, especially with this new program. So I need about a week to get that done. I can, of course, make an exception. We can get some expediting done, but we don't want to make that the norm. So get your documentation in sooner than later if you want to use any of our innovative products. Fastest Cash, the Security Plus, where you get $5,000 guarantee for your pre-approval. We've got some amazing products, so just get your file in sooner than later. But we can still close a full loan in 2.5, 3 weeks if we need to. And then you've got your appraisal turn times, Whatcom County, which is my predominant market, about 8 days. We've got 5 amazing hand-picked appraisers in this county that are just doing an awesome job, just crushing it for us. So yeah, that is the market update for this month. I hope that you guys have a great May. Please reach out to me if you have any questions. Also, share this video if you have any friends, family, coworkers, anyone that's looking to buy or sell real estate that's interested in the mortgage side of the market, or if you need an awesome real estate professional, reach out to me and I can connect you with one. All right, we'll see you next month.